Okay, so this is the worrying part. That's just hanging over Melissa's house here. We have there's skylights up there, and there's clumps of ice just smashing down on the roof. I don't know if you can notice there's a big branch there, more or less just in the middle of the screen. That just snapped about 5 minutes ago. Right, that's right in the front of the house. There she comes. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at this. And it really is worrying because that's right on top of the house. Right on top of the house, and there's this excess snow coming down top of me now. Fucking crazy. Crazy. One of them trees decide to go, I don't know what's going to happen to the house. It's just going to get squashed in the middle of it. Ah well. What would be the most important thing you'd want to get out of the house before it was... They're snapping all over this. I don't know you can... Very hard to catch them on the spot. Up there's a fresh branch. Broke off. I'm going in a circle. But I think I'm standing this. Say it again.